Hey, this is Martin. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create high quality Google search ads copy with AI. Let me show you how you can draft copy for your Google search ads while brainstorming with the AI about a marketing campaign that you're having. In this chat right now that I'm having inside our brands project, I'm just exploring ideas about a future campaign. As you can see in the project knowledge, here I already have everything about our imaginary brand. I've connected all the resources, and I would like to explore some Google search ads copy without leaving the same chat. With the help of the prompt builder, I've already built a very comprehensive, detailed instructions for the AI that I can reuse anytime from the prompt library. I can use the prompt directly from the chat by typing / and typing the name. Google Ads search copy is the name. Selecting from the button or from the side panel, I can just browse the prompt library, and that's how I can use it. There are a few dynamic variables that will tailor the AI output concretely to what I currently need it for. As you can see, it's asking me for target audience, keywords that I already have from a previous chat, a URL that I created for this example with the campaign goal, and tone. Let's say it's friendly, and we will execute. I will get a set of 3 variants that I can choose from or continue to iterate. Each one contains 15 headlines with maximum 30 characters each, and 4 descriptions with maximum 90 characters each, as well as a display URL and paths. The AI also explains why this ad will be effective in our campaign. After that, I will review everything and further iterate if I need, or I'll directly use them to set up my campaign. And that's it. Hope you found this playbook useful. Let me know what workflow I should show you next.